how to make a landing page on Squarespace. This is about to help you here on this video, so that as you can understand and see, that is still to be about sometimes satisfying for what you are looking for it. As you can understand and see, it's still to be really satisfying for what we are going to do, and how we can start to really to integrate for the next situation. That is still to be about to be really important for what we are looking for, so what we are going to have it, and how we can start to deal with that situation for pages and section, and select here to go for adding some page. So what we can do is about to click on blank page, add it, and choose that landing page section or page layout can be really including the site on what is going on through the link, and that what is going to be on through it to content to fit the landing page. And then once you do that, you can start to add a side of publishing the layout page, or add a side of the social image, or advanced thing to add a code like to add a side of layout page or as a landing page. And that is all about to help you.